क्या आप भी किसी अपने सपने मेरे तुम्हारे टीम 11 पे टीम बना रहे हो और बच्चों के साथ खेल रहे हो? हमारे साथ खेलोगे? हाउस पे खेलो लेजेंड्स के साथ, हमें हरा और जीतो डबल कैश। लॉग ऑन टू houseit.com and win real cash.
Confidence of our batters, especially starting with Gill. Rohit bhai unfortunately got out, but Puji showed so much bravery and courage, taking hits on the body, and then again later Ajinkya played a cameo. Then Rishabh came in. Rishabh played his own way, like always he does. So he gave us the belief that we could win the game in the last couple of sessions. And a special mention to Washi as well, playing his debut test match and playing that cameo at the end. So it shows the team character, and obviously it was tough scoring 330 on day 5, but that's why we are the Indian cricket team, isn't it? We can do anything.
मैं तो अभी तक तो मेरे लिए ड्रीम ही है ये परफॉर्मेंस मेरे लिए, क्योंकि मैं इतना सोचा नहीं था कि मैं इंडिया के लिए ऐसा परफॉर्मेंस करूंगा। बट मैं जितने भी बार सोचता हूँ कि मैं इंडिया के लिए खेलते रहूं और परफॉर्मेंस करते रहूं, इंडिया के लिए हमेशा मैच जिताते रहूं।
Literally overwhelmed by the number of messages and the wishes I'm getting from people across various walks of life, and it's indeed a very, very special feeling which I cannot describe in words.
After Adelaide lost, it was a bit tough to bounce back from there, especially in Australia, playing against Australia. तो थोड़ा तो टफ था ही कि ऑस्ट्रेलिया में आप ऑस्ट्रेलिया के सामने खेल रहे हो और आपको बाउंस बैक करना है, और उधर उनका जो स्ट्रेंथ था वो बहुत ही बॉलिंग, स्पेशली बॉलिंग अटैक बहुत ही स्ट्रांग था उनका। तो बस हमने एज ए टीम वही डिसाइड किया था कि हम यहाँ से 3 मैच की सीरीज का देखेंगे, बल्कि 4 मैच की सीरीज का नहीं देखेंगे। जो हुआ वो हो गया, और फोकस करेंगे मेलबर्न टेस्ट में और आने वाले जो 2 टेस्ट में उसके बाद। तो यही था कि यहाँ से हम पॉजिटिव एनर्जी क्रिएट करेंगे ग्राउंड में, और जो भी बैट्समैन या बॉलर जो भी थोड़ा डाउन है तो उनके साथ बात करके उनका कॉन्फिडेंस थोड़ा बिल्ड करेंगे और उनको अच्छे फ्रेम ऑफ माइंड में लाने की कोशिश करेंगे। तो टीम का एनवायरनमेंट यही था, और कोई भी एडिलेड टेस्ट के बारे में नहीं सोचेगा, वही टीम में बात चल रही थी।
Ravi Shastri called me in June, sometime in June, July, and we normally tend to discuss about how we need to go forward and what are the things that we need to do to improve. And then he told me, I want you to make a plan where you remove the offside for the Australians. So we had our own arguments even then, but he said, please do that. Whether you agree or disagree, I want you to make a plan where you take the offside out of the Australians. And whenever Ravi Shastri observes, he's a very, I think he's got a very keen eye for observing things. Him having played the game, also been in commentary for so long, he picks up things pretty fast. And so I did my research. I called my analyst and did all the research, and then he gave me a very, very good analysis of the whole thing. We get the overall career statistics of what Steve Smith and Labuschagne had done, and most 70% of the runs they had scored on the offside. That was for drives and square off the wicket, and about 30% on the leg side. Even the leg side runs, we wanted to have the areas where they had scored those leg side runs. And so once we had all that, then it was easy to plan what Ravi Shastri wanted. So we need to pack the onside with men and bowl very straighter lines and remove the offside totally scoring. If at all Steve Smith, who averages 60 plus in test matches, if he has to get 100 against us, he has to play at least 200, minimum 200 balls to get that. Does he have that patience to do it? Because he loves his boundaries. And even the 100 he got on a good track in Sydney, he had to face nearly 210 balls to do that. So in a way, the journey started then, the planning started then. Virat, when we just spoke to Virat, immediately he liked the idea. He did this in Adelaide, and after that, Ajinkya was fabulous in his execution later on.
Playing at the Gabba, and as you said, there were a lot of moments in the game which will forever be unforgettable for me and for a lot of other players as well in the team. So yes, I think the most important factor was the fact that we won the game, especially beating Australia at Gabba was amazing, and being able to chase more than 300 on the fourth day was was amazing. And yes, definitely having a lot of fun, and the way as in the way India has been celebrating us and the victory as well is I feel so happy about it, and so glad to have been part of the Indian team at Gabba in particular.
As a team, yes, we had that belief, but we were not thinking about the result. What will happen, or what if? We were not thinking about that. As a team, yes, we had that belief, and our intention was to play good cricket and play with good fighting spirit. Just good fight on the field.
Was telling me कि यार Macha, I'll go for the target, and I was saying Macha, I'll go for the target. So then we decided that one has to anchor the inning and other one can go for the shots. So he told me, I'll go, you anchor the inning. So we decided like that, and then Washi got some quick runs, 20 or some quick runs. तो उधर से help हो गया target में काफी, because उस समय it was like gold for us कि भाई 15-20 रन अगर जल्दी आ जाए तो थोड़ा प्रेशर कम होता है, because after Washi Shah was also coming, तो बैटिंग वो भी कर लेता है. फिर यही आइडिया था कि मैं और Washi, me and Washi should finish the match. यही आइडिया था.